No matter what you believe, I want you to reflect on why you are so blessed on this day. Hi, this is Don with Cowboy Biker Adventures. Stay tuned for a live update. Hi everyone. I wanted to cut into my regular videos and wish everyone a happy Thanksgiving. And I know I am so blessed and grateful for all I have and the adventures I get to do. Even though I am traveling alone in my RV, I am so blessed. Also want to do a quick update. I'm about ready to release in a few days, hopefully, my last video from northern New Mexico. I then went to Colorado and I have several videos coming out about that. I think you would enjoy, including the $1 Million Highway on a motorcycle and several more. Then I will have videos on Roswell, New Mexico, and then on Port Aransas in South Texas, then moving on across the border to Mexico and to my current location on South Padre Island, which I'm here for a whole month. Again, I want to wish everyone a happy Thanksgiving and see you down the road. Until then, have a good one.